update on the rabbitry. Looks like this young lady here had her babies. They all seem to be doing fine. We got them living here in this hutch kind of a deal. I don't know if you can see in there or not. You can see all the babies. We're not too sure how many we got. We don't want to disturb them because she just had them a few hours ago. See lots of movement in there. She did her thing, pulled the hair to give them enough warmth and insulation. They're fair size. They look pretty decent. We'll wait a little bit before we go in there and do an evaluation to see how it went. Here you can see her back there. She pretty much cleaned the cage up out of all its loose hay. We threw some more in there for her. She's eating well. She's drinking well. We gave her some romaine lettuce because that seems to be her favorite treat. So everything's going well. She's happy. We're happy. Everything's good so far. So we'll do another update video as we go along with the babies and see how they're doing. The program seems to be working. Took a turn for the better. Going around the corner. Here's old Buck. He's still hanging around, doing a good job. We bred him with Barbara. This is our new male here. I don't even know what his name is, but Lamar. Yeah, that's it. He's Lamar. He's hanging out. He's a bit of a pain because he's like one of these rabbits that won't drink water out of a bottle. He's got his dish, so I don't know what we're gonna do with him.
High maintenance.
Yeah, he's a little bit high maintenance fella. Good looking guy though. Doesn't cause much trouble. Not too rowdy. This little sweetheart here, she's growing along nicely. We're not sure how big she's gonna be. She may be standard breed, so we're not sure what we're gonna do with her yet. We might have to find her a buck, be more her size. And here's old Barbara. Say hello, Barbara. And she's pretty chill. So we think she might be pregnant. So we're just gonna have to wait and see.
She might be, we might not be, we'll see.
We'll see. We'll see how that goes. And anyway, that's the update for today at the rabbitry. Everything seems to be going good. Some personal things going on, so we didn't get some work done that we need to get done. We're going to get back to that. We'll be getting a roof on the rabbitry. We're going to take this big lilac bush out here and
put up a portable barn.
We're going to put a portable barn. Here, I'll do the hand thing that everybody likes. Put a portable barn right here. And we might be moving this garden right here out of the way. So it'll be somewhere else. So there's some hand stuff going on there. And there's the mother of bunnies watering her garden. That's my lovely daughter and Tookie the grandson.
Okay.
He's a good boy too. Anyway, Jake, owner of the rabbitry, rabbit master. Well, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the short video. We'll get back at it, get some more going, and we'll talk to you real soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We got to get some folks liking this stuff. Take care for now. Cheers.